Hi guys, I am Mannat and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is all about DIYs. I made 3 DIYs which are really easy and they look great. Let me tell you about all the 3 DIYs briefly. Yeah, I'll not go for a long explanation. I'll just tell you about them briefly. My first DIY is a sticker making at home without using printer and sticker paper. Obviously everybody don't have printer and sticker paper, so I made sticker without using printer and sticker paper. The list of material requirements will be given in the description, so yeah, you can go and check it out. My second DIY is a small cute shaker card. It has star flakes and glitter in it. You will obviously be needing star flakes because that's what the thing which make it a shaker card. So yeah, make sure you have the star flakes, or a glitter will also work, no issues. I mixed both star flakes and glitter together, so it is giving a amazing look. This is a really nice gift idea and it is very easy to make. Coming on to the last DIY, it is a DIY bookmark which I made on a cardstock. Cardstock is a thick paper. Yeah, I made that bookmark on cardstock. I used oil pastels and tissue paper for smudging the oil pastels. The special thing about this bookmark is the art which I made on it. It was a sort of quirky and unique way to design a bookmark. I made two of them. The one was in pink shade and the second one was in blue shade, and they both turned out really good. Well, the all DIYs turned out really good. As I said, the list of material requirements will be given in the description, so you can obviously go and check them out. And if you are new on my channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that red subscribe button. Visit my website if you haven't, the link is in description. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the 3 DIYs. They were really easy to make. And if you like making DIYs, then please make sure to subscribe my channel. There are more fun videos coming in future. And yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching.